Let's go and have a look. I wonder if somebody can tell me what's going on here. Now we're going this way. We're going to keep going. I think it is the right way. If it isn't, I don't mind. Diddly diddly little road. This must be the Solano Road, I think. The one that will take me to the little lake. To see if there's any water in it. Wow, this is crazy. Isn't this crazy? Fascinating how in the past they managed to build houses in such way out areas and roads. How on earth did they manage to build roads like this? Right on the edge. So steep. Oh, you can't see the steepness, can you? I forget that. No, see the road? Oh, it's dry, I think. Looks pretty dry. Surprising, eh? I thought we've had so much rain it would be a gushing river. But I caught a glimpse of a pretty dry riverbed down there. Here we go. This is what I was coming to see, and it is indeed very, very little water in it. How funny. I wonder what happened to it all. I wonder if it filled up at all. Like you see, there's a dam. You don't have a dam unless they're going to save the water, do they? Very strange. It's supposed to be a little reservoir. So this is what I came to see it full of water, but it isn't full of water. Let's stop the bike here, in the middle. This is about the middle, a little bit further. Let's go and have a look. Let's go and have a look. Oh, wow, isn't that funny? And I wonder why there isn't more water in it. It's going straight down that drain. I wonder if somebody can tell me what's going on here. There's water flowing in that river and it's going down a drain. Smoke's coming out the drain. And then there's a tiny bit here. Gonna have a sip of water while we're here. That's what I came to see. Okay, Embalse of Solano. Frogs, I hear you. Lots of frogs. Yes! So I just saw that the battery had run out, and I don't know how long ago. So I'm going to show you this again. Look at that. Beautiful place, right? I'm very curious why there's so little water in it. Such a big dam, and they're only damming a little water. And over there, here we have Frog City. Vamos. Bye bye. Embalse de Solano. Yeah. Oh look, let's have a look from up here. That's a nice view. A beautiful spot. Now, one thing I'm not sure is if you're high enough. So let's go like this and put you higher for a minute. There you see it. That is the view. Embalse de Solano. What a lovely day. And by the way, thank you for joining me on this ride, because I love to be able to share it. I love it that you watch it. I want everyone to have this joy that I get. So if I can share a little bit of it, that makes me really happy. We're going right here. Oh, hang on, we're going straight on yet. Hello, this is fun. I wonder if that bridge is safe. It looks fun to walk across. But I won't walk across it now. Or shall I? Yes, let's park the bike over here. You're not allowed on it. That means it's not safe. Okay. We won't go on it then. That would have been fun. Look down on my bike. It doesn't look like it's in the best of conditions. Right. Hello, doggy. Got anything to give you? I get asked quite often, like, what is coaching? Why can you tell me how to live? Well, I don't tell anyone how to live. Coaching's nothing to do with that. Let's just appreciate the moment a minute. All of us are limited by the thoughts that we don't see. If we could see all our thoughts, they wouldn't be limiting us. Wow, is this right? Yes, it is. In a car, I wouldn't like this because you're right close to the edge and it's so narrow. What a lovely day, what a lovely adventure. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I have no sense of direction, by the way. None. I can recognise scenery, and that gives me an idea which way I'm going, but I can't do it from sense. I could be heading any direction at all, at any point. What's this mean? I think it means what a crazy little road. I think this is now the river route, called the river route. I can't remember, Camino del Rio or something like that. And it's the river route all the way to Rio Gorda. And we crossed the river a few times. Yeah, looks like it.